cosmic travelers. Whether you're a young dreamer searching for meaning or a wise soul reflecting on life's journey, welcome to Vedic Cycle of Life. Mars, or Mangal, is the commander of the celestial army, the force that drives us to conquer fears, face adversities, and carve our destiny through effort and resilience. He represents Agni Tattva, the element of fire, dominated by Rajas Guna and governed by Pitta Dosha, the heat of transformation. Mars signifies energy, courage, initiative, discipline, defense, passion, and focus. He rules over the blood, muscles, and vitality, and in the outer world, the armed forces, athletes, engineers, surgeons, and strategists. In essence, Mars is the fire that forges the soul's metal. When well placed, Mars gives dynamic leadership, assertive confidence, and sharp decision making. When debilitated or afflicted, his fire turns inward, manifesting as anger, restlessness, or reckless pursuit of desires. Let's now journey through its Antardashas, where each planetary combination reveals a distinct face of Mars's fire. Mars Antardasha in Mars Mahadasha, the pure flame. Mangalasya Mangaldashaya Balam Viryam cha labhyate, Duhkam cha Raktapittam cha, Tada Shatru Bhayadikam. During Mars' own Antardasha, one gains courage, power, and authority, yet faces conflict, injuries, or struggles born of excess fire. When Mars meets himself, the fire doubles. This is the time when your energy feels boundless. You're ready to move mountains, conquer fears, and prove your strength. If you channel this intensity into constructive goals, success follows like a shadow. Engineers, entrepreneurs, athletes, soldiers all find their edge here. But when passion turns impulsive, the same flame burns too bright. Tempers flare, accidents happen, or words become weapons. Health may show signs of overheating. Fevers, inflammation, or high blood pressure remind you to slow down. Financially, bold actions bring swift gains. Yet, if ego guides decisions, losses strike just as fast. Relationships too feel fiery. Love can deepen through shared courage or suffer under impatience. When Mars is well placed, the world recognizes your drive. When weak, it challenges your control. The obsession of fire. Mangal Rahu Dashaya Sahas Vridhya Paradravyahasta Grahanam Mithyabhimana Vipattiha cha. When Mars aligns with Rahu, courage amplifies, but illusion and danger walk beside it. Here, desire turns electric. You may feel an almost uncontrollable urge to break boundaries, to take risks, experiment, even rebel. It's a time of innovation, ambition, and sometimes obsession. In career, this combination propels people into daring ventures, startups, technology, politics, or anything unconventional. Yet, the same energy can tempt shortcuts or deceit. Wealth comes quickly through bold investments or speculation and can vanish just as fast if ethics are compromised. Health mirrors this volatility. Anxiety, nerve strain, or heat related issues may surface. Relationships too become intense. Attraction burns deep but may carry confusion or secrecy. If Mars is strong, this period transforms you into a pioneer. If weak, it becomes a storm of restlessness. The lesson is clear: control the fire, or the fire will control you. Guru Mangal Dashayam Dharma Karyeshu Rate Balam cha Manyatam cha Labhyate. Under Jupiter's wisdom, Mars channels its power into righteous action. When Jupiter steadies Mars, energy finds direction. This is a time when strength aligns with purpose, when ambition becomes ethical and action becomes noble. Career often blossoms through structured effort, law, education, government, or research. Wealth accumulates through persistence and fair play. It's not sudden, it's steady, earned, and respected. Health remains robust, though liver or muscular strain may visit if overworked. Relationships mature. Loyalty, mutual respect, and shared ideals strengthen bonds. A well placed Mars makes you a leader others trust. Her weak one may mask pride as righteousness. This Antardasha reminds you that true power lies in disciplined purpose. The struggle of endurance. शनैश्चर मंगल दशायां उद्योग सिद्ध परिश्रमेन क्लेशश्च स्थावर वृद्धिश्च. With Saturn's weight and Mars' fire, hard work and patience shape destiny. This phase feels like pushing against resistance. But every ounce of effort solidifies your foundation. It's a time when careers built on discipline, engineering, labor, defense, construction grow slow but strong. You may feel delays, frustrations, or authority conflicts, but these are tests of endurance. Financially, progress is gradual, yet wealth in land or property often emerges. Health can reflect the inner tension. Joint pain, fatigue, or stiffness may appear. Relationships need patience. Too much pressure can cause cracks, but mutual loyalty sustains the bond. If Mars is well placed, you'll rise through sheer perseverance. If not, exhaustion may follow. Ultimately, this Antardasha teaches that every struggle is scaffolding for strength. The strategic fire. बुध मंगल दशायां युक्ति विद्या लभ्यते किंतु कलहो मित्रे. When Mars joins Mercury, intellect meets aggression, giving both clever strategy and conflict. This is the phase of sharp minds and sharper tongues. Ideas come fast. You act before others can plan. Careers in technology, communication, marketing, and analytics thrive under this energy. You might find yourself solving problems no one else can, yet also arguing about details no one else notices. Wealth flows through smart risk-taking or trading, though impulsive deals may sting. Health stays vibrant but sensitive. Digestive heat or tension headaches could arise. Relationships may face ego-driven clashes. Learning to pause before reacting keeps harmony. If both planets are strong, brilliance shines through logic and initiative. If weak, wit turns into restlessness. The lesson: let intellect temper fire, not fuel it. The detached warrior. केतु मंगल दशायां त्याग भावना यात्रायां लाभ स्वशक्ति परीक्षा च. Mars under Ketu brings purification through trials and detachment through action. Here, the warrior turns inward. You may feel drawn to spiritual paths, distant journeys, or causes greater than yourself. External ambition quiets and introspection deepens. Career may shift from material goals to meaningful work, healing, research, or spiritual leadership. Wealth may matter less. Simplicity feels fulfilling. Health could bring minor surgeries or heat issues, but they act as purifiers. Relationships move toward detachment, not coldness, but understanding that love isn't possession. When Mars is strong, you master your impulses through awareness. When weak, confusion or restlessness may rise. In this phase, the fire purifies rather than destroys. The passionate fire. शुक्र मंगल दशायां सौंदर्य प्रेम वृद्ध्यो स्त्री संघ कलात्मकता च. Venus softens Mars' edge, kindling art, romance, and beauty. passion finds purpose here. You might channel energy into art, performance, luxury, or design. Anything that blends action with aesthetics. In career, creativity soars. Partnerships bring prosperity. Financially, luxury and indulgence may tempt you, yet the same charm opens doors to wealth. Health remains strong, but excess or indulgence could lead to fatigue. Relationships are magnetic, sensual, and sometimes dramatic. Deep love or deep lessons. If well placed, joy and abundance flow. If afflicted, pleasure becomes distraction. The key is to let desire create, not consume. The fire of authority. Ravi Mangal Dashaya, Rajya Labha, Shauryam Parakramashch. Mars and Sun unite. The soldier and the king stand side by side. This is leadership in its rawest form. You feel the urge to rise, to command, to make your mark. Careers in administration, defense, politics, or entrepreneurship bloom. Your decisions shape your destiny and others. Financial growth often accompanies fame or promotion. Health pulses with energy but needs cooling balance. Heat and stress can overwhelm. In relationships, pride can shadow affection. Humility becomes your greatest strength. When both planets are strong, authority and respect shine. When weak, ego brings downfall. This phase teaches that true power is gentle and true strength humble. The emotional fire. Chandra Mangal Dashaya Sauhardam Matra Sambandho Balwan Kintu Manobhrama Sambhavate. When Moon and Mars blend, emotions gain strength but also restlessness. Here, the heart beats fiercely. You may feel driven by emotion, protective, nurturing, yet quick to react. Careers in medicine, defense, hospitality, or sports thrive. Financially, consistent effort brings gains. Emotionally, moods fluctuate like tides. Relationships deepen through empathy, but may swing between passion and possessiveness. Health needs calm. Digestion and blood pressure reflect emotional states. If well placed, courage meets compassion. If weak, emotion clouds clarity. This is where the warrior learns to feel deeply without losing balance. Closing summary. The fire and the forge. Mars Mahadasha is the crucible of transformation. It burns away weakness, doubt, and dependency, forging strength, discipline, and courage. Through each Antardasha, Mars channels his energy, first raw and unrestrained, then gradually refined by wisdom, patience, intellect, and finally detachment. When balanced, this Mahadasha elevates one to leadership, confidence, and purposeful action. When imbalanced, it can cause conflict, impulsive choices, or burnout. Practically, success in this Mahadasha comes through courage tempered by compassion, ambition guided by wisdom, and action rooted in awareness. Spiritually, it reminds us that fire does not only destroy, it purifies. And in that purification, the warrior finds peace.